How to create a Roblox account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be presenting a straightforward tutorial on creating a Roblox account on your PC. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch any web browser on your computer. After that, go to roblox.com, and once you're in the homepage, it will take you to the sign up page. Or if you encounter the page is something like this, click on the sign up in the top right corner that is highlighted in blue color. Tap on it and then select the birthday. Choose a unique username and avoid using your real name. And then create a strong password. Indicate your gender and then click on the sign up button that is highlighted in white color. You will be logged into the account that you just created. Now you need to verify your account. Complete a CAPTCHA to confirm that you're not a bot. And after verification, you will be directed to your Roblox dashboard. Now go ahead and enhance your account security. For that, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of this screen. Click on Settings. And here in this account info page, you can add your phone number and your email address in this section for recovery purposes. Then enable two-step verification for additional security if you like. You can also download and install the Roblox player to play games in your computer. For that, you can select any game over here, and you will be prompted to download and install Roblox player on your device. Follow the installation instructions and start the game. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.